Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness Channel. I'm Shannon and I'm sharing with you today my daily meditation practice, and might be a little hoarse today. I spent the entire day deep cleaning the house and rearranging furniture, and so inhaling some of the dust has made my throat a little raw and my body feels really sore. And so I felt it was appropriate today to do a meditation that honors our bodies and the things that it can do for us, even if we have limitations. There are parts of our body that serve us really well, no matter how we feel about it. And if this is your first meditation with me, these are very simple meditations that are not complicated, and all you need is a comfortable seat, either on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or outside on the ground, and then a spot with as few distractions as possible. And so if you have your comfortable seat and your spot with a few distractions, then let's get started. So close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And just bringing your attention to what it feels like to breathe physically for you right now. Is your breath easy and smooth and open, or is there some difficulty to breathing? Right now my throat is a little raw, so it's a little scratchy to breathe. And then let the thoughts and the occurrences of today just melt away. And just breathe. And bring your attention to your feet. And, remember how your feet might have helped you today. They may be sore or achy, but they are so very useful to our day-to-day movement. And then send some appreciation down to your feet. Thank you, feet, for helping me be mobile and stand tall. And bringing your attention to your knees and noticing how they feel right now. And remembering how your knees may have assisted you today. Send some thanks and appreciation to your knees for their ability to help us step and climb and bend. Send them health and healing if they're feeling achy. And bringing your awareness to your legs, the long length of your legs, and seeing how they feel right now. How did your legs assist you today? Sending some thanks and appreciation to your legs for all that they helped you with today. Bringing your awareness to your hips, that place where we bend and pivot. And noticing how your hips feel right now. And if any of your parts ache, then just send appreciation for the work that they did, despite not feeling so well. But for hips, how are they feeling? And then remembering what actions you might have taken today in which your hips were vital, in which your hips supported you. And sending appreciation to your hips. And bringing your awareness up to the fullness of your back. And seeing how it feels right now. And remembering all of the ways in which your back supported you and assisted you and aided what you were able to get done today. And sending appreciation to your back. Thank you for your assistance. Especially if parts aren't feeling well right now, if they're achy or sore, all the better. They worked hard, or they worked hard even when they were sore. Bringing that attention to your shoulders and the length of your arms and seeing how they feel right now. Any tension, tightness, soreness, or are they feeling good right now? And recalling how your arms and your shoulders helped you do what you need to do today. And sending thanks and appreciation to your shoulders and arms for all of their assistance and support. And then notice your hands and how they're feeling right now. Remembering all the things they helped you accomplish today. And sending thanks and appreciation to your hands and your fingers and your thumbs and everything. Noticing the length of our torso, stomach, and chest, and how it feels right now. And remembering all the support your torso and your chest and your lungs and your stomach helped you with today. Sending thanks and appreciation for the tall, solid trunk that is your torso. And bringing that attention to your neck and seeing how it feels right now. And remembering all that your neck and your throat and your voice helped you with today, as it's holding your head high. And send thanks and appreciation to your neck for all that it helps you do today. Finally, to your head, to your ears and your eyes and your mouth and your brain, for all that it helped you do today. See how it's feeling. Send it appreciation and thanks. And then bringing your awareness just to your entire body and how useful and supportive and hardworking every part of your body is. And it works for you even when it doesn't feel like it. Sometimes not as effectively as you'd like it to, but it does. And sending thanks to your body. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today during my daily meditation, and I'm so glad to have this opportunity to meditate with you every day. And this is an opportunity for you to not only have support in a daily practice, but also to see how someone who has one, how they deal with the ups and downs of life, and how we may feel great one day and not the next, and how that influences our practice or my practice. So now I'm feeling better. My body is still pretty sore, but I'm feeling a lot less tense and physically stressed than I was before. So thanks again for joining me tonight, and I wish you a really good evening, a really deep sleep, and a great day tomorrow. Thank you so much.